for real, I just really appreciate you guys, everyone who's been along for the journey, all the newcomers. We're almost at 50, on our way to 100. I seriously appreciate you guys watching. Seriously appreciate you guys just finding value in my content. So today, as you guys can read from the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the new Avinusa screen I just bought, the nav screen. We had to get the updated iDrive screen. So the reason why I'm doing an unboxing video is, as during my research for the new iDrive screen, I really didn't find much content on, I would find a product, but then not much on what actually entailed, what exactly was coming with that product. So I got recommended this by a friend of mine, John. It's crazy how we met on the Facebook group, the M235i group. Became one of my subscribers, became friends on Facebook, been talking every now and then about coding, about the updated iDrive screen. He just installed new Harman tweeters in his car, so it's just kind of crazy. You become friends, so I got to shout out to my friend John. He recommended this first. It got recommended to me again, and I was like, all right, well, this must be the real deal. I did my research, and this thing is sweet, so I'm going to take you guys through an unboxing. Let's do it. Alright, so as you guys can see, here we are. This thing is sweet. It's literally a little computer. We got the 2014 through 2016 10.25 Coupe F22 navigation system. This thing is literally a little computer. It's got 2 gigs of RAM. It's got a 6-core CPU. It's touchscreen. It's sweet. I didn't have a navigation system, so now I do. It runs offline. You can download stuff from the Play Store. This is sweet. I'm so excited for the upgrade. So here, this is it. It comes in pretty decent box, packaged pretty well. For under 500 bucks, you really just can't complain. So yeah, this is the first time I'm opening it, so you guys are gonna walk through with me. Alright, so Avinusa, got a little letter over here. We got some styrofoam, so it's definitely nice and legitly packaged. The screen, so I'm obviously going to show before and after pictures, and I'll do a comparison of the teeny tiny screen compared to this one, but this is sweet. I'm definitely so excited for this install. Looks like they sent an OBD adapter as well, so I didn't pay for that, but shout out to Avin because they just hooked that up. I didn't pay for that, but I appreciate that. So the reason why I wanted to do an unboxing video, like I said, is I didn't find much content when I was doing my research, and this is basically what I wanted to know, is what the harness that came with it was gonna be, because for me, we have a retrofitted rear view camera here, so I already have a harness that's in a multimedia interface. So my only concern was whether I could use the harness I already have in there, but we shall see. Yeah, so it'll be an interesting install. That'll be the next video. We got the harness, we got the screen. Yeah, and it comes in this styrofoam, so it's definitely legitly packaged. This thing is sweet. I'm so excited. It just gets kind of boring, the original screen, if you don't have the nav system, is so small and boring. This is sweet. I hope they sent me the screen protectors that I ordered, but I don't think so. So that definitely sucks, but it is what it is. This thing is looking good. A little dirty, but I gotta clean it up. So yeah. Nice big difference going to 10.2 inches. Alright, so like I said, next video will be the install, then I'll do a walkthrough. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.